Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you rename a content folder in Wistia? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to rename a folder in Wistia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, you know that managing hundreds or even thousands of different content pieces can be time consuming. So if you split them up into different folders, it can help keep you organized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and rename a content folder, here on the left side drop-down menu, you're going to click on Content Library. Once you click there, you're going to see all the different folders you have in Wistia. You can see I just have this one. And in order to change the name of this folder, just click into the folder. Once you do that, you'll see all the content in that one particular folder. However, in order to change the name of this folder, here on the top, you're going to see this little pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you're going to be able to change the name of the folder. So for example, this folder is called Make Money Anthony YouTube, but maybe I just wanted to say Make Money Anthony. So I'll go ahead and just delete that. And then I'll click on the blue save button. Okay, now you can see the folder name in Wistia has changed. And if you want to verify that, you can go back to Content Library. And as you can see, that folder name has changed. So for example, if I'm running a business talking about Chinese food and another business running content about Mexican food, I can split those into different folders. So I can have a Mexican food folder and a Chinese food folder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the Wistia content folder name, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.